Narinig mo na ba ang salitang mutual fund? For some people, it might be boring. Para sa iba, ito'y very exciting. Pero marami pa ring hindi alam kung ano nga ba ito. Ipagpalagay natin nagsisimula ka palang mag-ipon at maliit pa ang kaya mong i-invest. Ang kaya mo lang ay makapag-save ng 1,000 pesos a month. Ngayon, malalaman mo paano ka matutulungan ng mutual fund investing upang mapalago ang iyong ipon. It is a pool of money na galing sa publiko na i-invest at palalaguin with expectation of a profit. It invites many people to invest kaya matatawag itong pooled fund. Ang perang malilikom ay gagamitin sa buying and selling o sabihin na nating trading ng mga tinatawag na securities. Ang securities ay assets na may potential for growth such as stocks or bonds. A stock will represent part ownership of companies like Meralco, SM, Ayala, Jollibee at iba pa. It can be bought or sold in the Philippine Stock Exchange. Kapag sinabi namang bonds, ito ay proof of debt. Sino ang nangungutang? Kadalasan ay ang Philippine government at iba pang companies. Paano kikita sa mutual funds? A bond fund, for example, will earn sa interest. Dahil ito ay proof of debt, it works like just any other debts. Makakakuha ka ng bayad sa utang at yung interest nito. Sa stocks naman, the fund earns in two ways, dividends and stock price gains. Dividends ay part ng earnings of companies na ibibigay nila sa mga stockholders. The stock price ay pwede ding bumaba o tumaas, depende sa takbo ng merkado. At dahil shareholder ka, dito naman papasok ang term na NAVPS or Net Asset Value Per Share. Ito ay ang buying or selling price of the mutual fund in a given day. Para mas maging malinaw, tignan mo ito. Noong August 6, 2020, ako ay nag-invest ng 5,000 pesos. Bumili ako sa price ng share na 0.5869. Ang total issued shares ko sa araw na yon ay 8,519 shares. Parang pag bumibili ka ng bigas, peso per kilo. Kapag gas, peso per liter. Dito naman, peso per share. Maganda sa mutual fund, kahit hindi mo alam ang trading sa securities may gagawa noon para sa'yo. Diyan papasok ang mga fund managers. Si fund manager ang gagawa ng trading for you, buying or selling stocks or bonds. These are experts in securities and they will do the trading in behalf of all of us na mga investors. Diba kahit na wala kang time or expertise or knowledge about this, may gagawa para sa iyo. You can still do things you are accustomed to do while investing. Para mas maintindihan mo ang kabuuan, tignan natin ang illustration na ito. Tayong mga maliliit na investors at merong maliit na halaga ng pera ay nag-decide na pagsamasamahin ito at iasa at bigyan ng tiwala ang isang financial intermediary na tinatawag nating mutual funds. Sa bawat mutual fund company, may tinatawag tayong fund manager. They are expert and full-time sa kanilang ginagawa. Higit pa dyan, bibigyan tayo ng stress-free investing. Fund manager will be the one to decide saan ba ilalagay, whether sa stocks or bonds, at kung saang kumpanya ito nararapat para palaguin ang iyong pondo. Bawat pondo ay mako-convert into a share na someday, especially if you stay long-term, ay lalago. Meaning to say, a successful investment adds value to the fund, and eventually, assets are distributed accordingly to the number of shares held. Mutual fund companies are highly regulated by the Philippine government through the Securities and Exchange Commission. They are required to comply with the laws, rules, and regulations. Required din sila to comply reports, documents sa government at sa mga investors nila. If they fail, may penalties or even pwedeng ma-revoke yung licenses nila and masuspend ang kanilang operations. Tandaan mo, kahit nga gobyerno ay nangungutang sa kanila. Even the SSS or Social Security System ay nag-invest ng 3 bilyong piso sa mutual funds. Malaki ang credibility ng mga mutual fund companies. One of the advantages as well of being part of the mutual fund companies ay yung tinatawag na diversification. Ika nga, do not put your eggs in one basket. Kahit 1,000 lamang ang pera mo, kaya nating ma-diversify yan into different companies na kung saan dyan ilalagay ng mutual fund ang iyong pera. The simple wisdom here, Dahil ito ay kinalat sa iba-ibang companies, maaring bagsak ang ilan, pero maaring ang ilan naman ay nakakaangat pa. Therefore, nagkakaroon ng balanse na iiwasan natin ang sobrang pagkatalo. I hope na tulungan kita paano magkaroon ng overview about mutual funds. If you want to learn more, you can attend our free financial literacy webinars. Check on the description below to know how. When you also become an IMG member, may mga benefits ka pa on mutual fund investing. Start investing for as low as 1,000 pesos, learn from our unlimited seminars and trainings for members, and take advantage of our 0% entry fee only for IMG members. Kung may natutunan ka, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and you can even ring the notification bell for more videos like this one. Ako pong muli si Sir J.M. Balabis, an IMG Wealth Missionary. Let's build a better future through mutual fund investing.